I wanted to come to you to show you the new Princess House e-commerce specials. And I want you to think about gifts. We are officially into fall now, and this is the time of year that you can start thinking about your gift giving over the holidays. Because if you start early, it doesn't hurt so bad. So the first item that I want to show you is the wildflower tool set. So you can see that the pattern is on it. This is called the wildflower pattern. Acacia wood was chosen because it is very durable, hard wood, and it actually is water resistant, bacteria resistant, which is really important for your kitchen. So this is the acacia wood tool holder. This one is on sale for $39. And in addition to the tool holder, the actual tools are on sale as well. So this is a set of 4. You're going to see that they have the beautiful little Princess House detail up here. This is the wildflower, and it is a set of 4. So this is the wooden spoon. That is just a regular spoon. Then we have a slotted spoon, so that's good for when you're taking things up, but you don't want the liquid to come along. This is a spatula, and of course we have, I think this is called a spork. These 4 items, these are called the acacia wood, the wildflower series, and these are on sale for $49. So these are our stainless steel with the silicone head utensils. They're nice and sturdy, and the silicone allows you to use it in any type of cookware, including nonstick. So this is called a mixing spatula, and this is on sale for $19. The healthy spoon, it's a half a cup. So when you go to scoop anything, you know that it's a half a cup. And this is also on sale for $19. And this is our peeler. I'm going to tell you that this peeler is the smoothest peeler you will ever use. And this is on sale for $19. Our beverage glasses. And you can see that beautiful Princess Heritage pattern. And these come in a set of 4. These are on sale for $49. This is what they call a flash special. So flash specials are while supplies last. When they run out, they run out. So if you like it, grab it. This is called melamine dinnerware set. Now, melamine is a very hard, sturdy plastic. It is plastic, but you would never know it. It's not the flimsy one. It's got this beautiful color on the back, and then inside you can see. So these are the dinner plates. This is a set. It comes for 4 people. So you'll get 4 dinner plates. You will get 4 luncheon plates and 4 bowls. Look how nice these bowls are. Nice and solid. This is an e-commerce special for $89. We have our 2.5 quart Vida Sana casserole. It is made out of 5 layers. What that does is it's very thermal and it heats your foods up fast. These pieces cook 29% faster. This is the NutriSeal. And you can use this traditional. You can put oil and butter and whatever you want. But when you use the seal, you can actually cook without any butters or oils. It holds 67% of the nutrients. This is our portable blender in fuchsia. It makes smoothies, salad dressings. You can even use it for dips and spreads. It'll make 20 smoothies on one charge. This one's on sale for $49. This is our cast iron Comal. So it is a griddle in the cast iron. I want to show you that the bottom is that gorgeous blue color. That's an enamel. And then on the inside, it is cast iron. You can use this out on your backyard grill. And this is on sale for just $119. Make sure that you screenshot this so that you know how to order them. www.princesshouse.com/LBradley. And then I have a special gift. When you order $100 or more, you're going to get our baby griddle as a gift from me. 6 inches across. It's perfect if you just cook a couple of eggs in the morning. It's great for 1 grilled cheese sandwich. You cannot buy this. But when you order $100 of Princess House from me, you can get it for just $10. You go to place your orders, this is the one that you want. And then go ahead and text me and say, hey, Linda, I ordered $100 worth. I would like the baby griddle.